unfortunately it's replaced with design, but we can take one here. Today on the 19th of July 2023, this is, well, it's not Chicago. It's pretty beautiful.
Yeah.
I just get one of the churches in Helsingfors. And it's on Tähtitorninkatu. Observatoriegatan, 16 Stekesby. Unfortunately released in 2020. Best is 11 persons and 9 grams. And silver is 438,47946. Maybe there was some antique here before.
Yeah.
We'll be expecting the next year, 2024. Or maybe it was some sort of a basic upgrade or I did later, but
yeah.
It was enlarged and replaced maybe.
Yeah.
And it has two sides. I think this essentially dates back to the late 1920s.
Yeah.
Or it could also be about 1920.
Yeah.
Or even
Yeah, and you can press second button.
yeah. But at least it's the same. But it's too bland for this kind of residential building.
Yeah.
At least it's not practice or Schindler or Chirac.
Yeah.
Solid design walls, but they're colored.
Spektiit kiva inspitant maintained by Kone.
The frames are just design frames.
Yeah.
But of course, the walls could be wooden, but it's covered now.
Yeah.
I cannot see it. Yeah, that's it. All the line.
Yeah. That's